Welcome back to BLUETTI Support. Today we're taking a closer look inside the BLUETTI Elite 400. To kick things off, make sure the unit is powered off. Lay it flat. Use a flathead screwdriver or tweezers to gently pop off the wheel caps. Unscrew and remove both wheels. Next, peel back the anti-slip pads and unscrew the 2 foot pads. Flip the unit over, loosen all screws on the back panel. Then turn it upright and lift off the front cover. The outer shell is crafted from flame retardant, wear-resistant ABS, tough, durable, and built to last. Moving on to the front panel, all the controls are laid out logically. No guesswork, no fuss. Unscrew the control panel and open it up. See those bad screws? Take them out first. Safety comes before everything else. Then unplug the connection cables and remove the panel completely. You'll notice a duct paper channel right underneath. This forms an independent cooling pathway to help with heat dissipation. Inside the unit, there's another duct paper channel located above the motherboard. 5 smart fans automatically adjust their speed with the unit's temperature, keeping the system cool, quiet, and energy efficient at all times. Remove the screws to take off the duct paper. Next, unscrew the motherboard and disconnect the cables. Unclip the side fans and lift the entire board out. Notice how few wires there are? The minimal wire design means fewer faults and a longer lifespan. The inverter comes with a flat, integrated inductor that helps cut down electromagnetic interference. Working with the bidirectional LLC transformer in BLUETTI's smart optimization algorithm, it takes power efficiency to a whole new level. With its fast-acting relay, the Elite 400 kicks into backup in just 15 milliseconds, so your essentials keep running without a blip during an unexpected outage. Now, remove the side air duct covers and fans on both ends. Then remove the screws securing the battery pack. Lift off the inner shell, and here it is, the heart of the Elite 400. Insides are 12 automotive-grade lithium iron phosphate cells, delivering an impressive 3,840 watt-hours of energy. That's the full breakdown. Time to reassemble. Quick system check. Everything is working perfectly. From the inside out, BLUETTI powers you safely.